Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back with another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Horizon Forbidden West on the PlayStation 5. So yeah, picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing this. Yeah, everything I've seen so far, it looks really good and absolutely beautiful. So yeah, really looking forward to playing as Aloy again, or Aloy. I think it's Aloy. And yeah, looking forward to playing it. So on the front, you've got Aloy and you got one of the flying machines. And then that side, Horizon Forbidden West, and the back, Rise of Boa Ruin. Join Aloy as she braves the Forbidden West, a majestic but dangerous frontier that conceals mysterious new threats. Discover distant lands and astonishing new tribes. Fight bigger and more awe-inspiring machines. Uncover the secret behind Earth's imminent collapse. So yeah, it is also vibration function and trigger effect supported. And 98 gig minimum, so that's fun. And inside we have some safety information which nobody reads. The disc, which actually looks really smart. I really like the way that's white and all that kind of stuff. Yep, it's all color coded, that's nice. And then we also have some background art, so that's cool. I'm presuming that's the map, or part of it at least. So yeah, that's my unboxing of Horizon Forbidden West, guys, on the Horizon Forbidden West on the PlayStation 5. So yeah, if you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.